Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate crypto diversification with Robinhood detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Investing tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to find the cryptocurrency section. Select the cryptocurrency you are interested in. Take note of the current price and market trends for that cryptocurrency. Next, go back to the main Investing tab. Find the crypto option to view all available cryptocurrencies. Examine each cryptocurrency and their potential for diversification. Decide on an allocation strategy based on your risk tolerance. Consider using a dollar cost averaging strategy to spread your investment over time. Now, navigate to the Account section in the bottom menu. Select Recurring Investments. Choose crypto as your investment type. Set up a recurring investment for the amount you wish to allocate. Decide the frequency of your investment, such as weekly or monthly. Assign specific amounts to different cryptocurrencies based on your diversification strategy. Confirm your selections to automate your investments. Monitor your portfolio regularly to assess performance. Adjust your allocations as needed based on market conditions. Make use of Robinhood's notifications to stay informed about price changes. Review your overall strategy and goals periodically. This will help ensure that your investments remain aligned with your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.